How to make or create a text surrounding a round object in Photoshop. First, you will need to select your object, click on the object selection tool, and then select the object that you want to surround the text with. Then go to select, modify, and then expand, and then increase this by the number of pixels or spacing out between the text and the object. So for example 20, click on OK. Then go back to select again, click modify, and then click smooth and do the same values. For example 20, click on OK. Now you want to right click while this is selected and then click on make work path and leave the tolerance at 2, or you can basically switch it if you want to, and then click on OK. Then click on text and then hover over the work path and then click with your mouse when you see this weird line there, and then you will need to type your text, and the text will be surrounding your round object, as you can see right here. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.